In this video, I'll show you all the different styles of car headliners found in a Ford Falcon AU, BA and BF series. So this headliner board has the map lights up the front between the two sun visors. This is out of a sedan model. What can also change is the rear section. There might be a coat hanger hook or a couple of coat hanger hooks on either side. You can also have a pair of courtesy lights with a grab handle next to them, so it's an oval shaped courtesy light. Show you what those look like now. The cutouts for those would be, there's the map light, there's the grab handle and the courtesy light next to them. So yeah, pretty much we just need to know what does change on these boards up the front and usually at the back where the grab handles are. This is the Ute model. So the Ute model, pretty much what changes is just between the two sun visors. This board we're looking at right now is another sedan board. It has a blank section up the front, so it has no sunglasses console, no map lights. It's just got the middle dome light, which is universal across all these models. And then once again, what can change is at the far back with the grab handles and the courtesy lights as well, or the coat hanger hooks. And if we come to the Ute version of that board, it'll be the same thing. It'll be just blank up the front between the sun visors and you haven't got no compartments. Now we come to one of the two styles of sunglasses console. This one's referred to as a teardrop shape or even a spade shape, where it's narrow at the front and then gets wider at the far back. So that's a sunglasses console. They can also come out with the rear grab handles and courtesy lights, or even just the coat hanger hooks. So let us know which one you've got there. The rear middle dome light, that's going to be universal. Those two plugs at the far back, universal. Front grab handle, sun visors are all the same on all models. We come to that Ute version of this board. Once again, it's referred to as a teardrop spade shape, where this one here has a sunglasses console, but it's more of that square rectangle shape. So you can see here it's even on the front and the rear. So you can see right here that just up the back here, it's a bit wider and then it just tapers down to a bit more narrow top end. So we refer to those ones just as that spade or teardrop shape. This one's referred to as a rectangle square sunglasses console. They can also have a clock radio as well. You normally see those on the FPV models. So let us know if you have got that front clock radio up the front between the two sun visors. Once again, you've got those rear grab handles, or you can have just the coat hanger hooks. We come to the Ute version of this board now. You can also have the lights underneath the sun visors as well. So the courtesy lights that you find at the back can also be under the sun visors. So let us know if you've got that as well. And yeah, so front sunglasses console, what changes on the Ute boards. Also, those map lights underneath the sun visors can also appear as well. All those components at the far back, the plugs, the coat hanger hooks and the center dome light, that's universal across all models anyway. So that's all those boards covered, guys. So when a Ford Falcon AU, BA and BF comes in for car roof lining repair, there's two styles of headlining material that we use for replacement. We use our number 7 cappuccino light grey flat knit. That seems to be the most common choice. So if your car comes out with that stitch type of weaving type of appearance, well then we would go for the number 7 cappuccino. However, they do come out in a velour, so then we would choose the number 3 light grey velour, and that gives off that more of that softer type of finish. So on GT Falcons, they also have velour on the sun visors, but then they have a flat knit roof lining. So you can kind of get away with using either of these products because they match the interior quite well. Also, they're a light grey when they're outside the vehicle, but when they're installed into the car, they give off more of a beige appearance. So that's also an important tip. The glue that we use and suggest is the T65 that we also have available as well.